This Nuwave 3-piece 8, 10, 12 forged lightweight frying pan set is a great addition to any kitchen. It includes 3 useful sizes. You get an 8-inch pan, a 10-inch pan, and a 12-inch pan. This Nuwave 3-piece 8, 10, 12 forged set makes cooking basics like omelets and bacon easy. The different sizes handle various cooking tasks well. The pans feature a G10 healthy Duralon blue ceramic ultra non-stick surface. This means food will slide off easily. You won't have big messes to clean up. The non-stick also lets you cook with less oil. This can be a healthier way to prepare your meals. Cleaning these pans is also a breeze. And you won't need a pledge to scrub away stuck food. These Nuwave 3-piece 8, 10, 12 forged pans have ergonomic stay-cool handles. They are comfortable to hold while you are cooking. The set is induction-ready and works on all cooktops. This makes them very versatile for any kitchen setup. They seem like a reliable and practical set for everyday cooking. Pros: 3 pan sizes, lightweight design, forged for durability, healthy ceramic, ultra non-stick. Ergonomic handles, stay cool handles, induction ready. Works on all cooktops, easy to clean. No harmful chemicals, even heat cons. Not metal utensils safe. Hand wash recommended. Durability is a concern. Coating may chip. Uneven heating possible. Handles might get hot. Price could be high. Limited warranty. Some users report sticking. Not always truly lightweight features. Forged, lightweight, non-stick, ceramic, healthy G10 stay cool handles, induction ready. All cooktops. This Nuwave frying pan set has 3 pans of different sizes. 8, 10, and 12 inches. They are made to be light but strong because they are forged. The pans have a special blue coating called Duralon ceramic, which helps food not stick and is healthy because it doesn't have bad chemicals. The handles are made to stay cool when you are cooking and are easy to hold. These pans can be used on any kind of stove, even the ones that use magnets to heat up. Induction cooktops. This Nuwave frying pan set comes with 3 lightweight pans, 8, 10, and 12 inches, that are made to last. They have a healthy blue ceramic coating that stops food from sticking. And the handles are designed to stay cool and feel good in your hand. These pans can be used on any type of stovetop, even induction, and they are easy to clean. However, you should not use metal tools on them, and it's best to wash them by hand. Some people have worried about how long they will last and if the coating might chip. Also, the pans might not always heat evenly, and the handles could still get hot. The price might be a bit high, and there's only a limited warranty. Some users have also said that food can stick sometimes, and the pans might not feel as light as expected.